There's no way. Yeah, we didn't even box. What the? This is ridiculous. Guys, look how many packages. We set up all night packaging these orders. All those boxes are hats and shirts. And that's just a bunch of shirts and ski masks. Thank you to everyone who placed an order. That shit means a lot to me. And we're gonna keep doing the merch more often now. And you guys will see, when you guys get these packages, you'll see the quality of the shirts. This is like the old merch. You guys remember this one? And you guys could tell, like, the quality wasn't that good. It's sick, like the design is cool, it has all my cars. But like that quality is like clothing brand quality. You guys will see. Anyways, we're gonna take this to the post office. There's a lot of stuff, hopefully it fits. I wanna take one of these cars because it'll be cool to like deliver the merch in my car, but it's not gonna fit, bro. There's so many boxes. 8, 12, 16, 21. Bro, it has to be like 50 boxes and then like hundreds of orders.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like much, but look at this, guys. It goes deep. There's bro. Like, it's a lot of merch. Bro, there's so many packages. This is crazy. The whole car is practically full. You guys are insane, guys. We got like 4 tubs of packages and all the hats. Oh, my FA looks so good. Oh, we're dropping off to get wrapped today, guys. I didn't even mention it, but you guys see the title and thumbnail. We're dropping off the GTR to get wrapped today. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous because hopefully I chose the right color. Comment down below, what color do you guys think I did the GTR? What color do you think I'm gonna do the GTR? We have to go pick up the roll and drop off my car, I think, today. So we'll see. We have to change up the caliper color too, so that's a little hint. The purple is not gonna match at all, so we gotta change up the calipers and do a new wrap. Also, comment down below, should I wrap the trunk this time or should I leave it carbon? We'll see. Or maybe like this part I'll wrap and leave the top part carbon. I think that'll look cool. All right, guys, so when you ship a lot of orders, like this, you have to go in the back. Go in the back, bro. Look, we're gonna fill up these tubs. Let's see how many we can fill up.
Those?
Yep. I'm showing a little behind the scenes of how it goes. I do it all myself, guys, with some help. Shout out to my mom too. My mom's helped me every single merch shop too.
Aww.
You know, all my merch shops, my mom stayed up late every night and helped me.
Aww.
Package them.
I know, so I was telling her last night, literally wouldn't be able to do all that.
All right, let's get it. You sit down, you sit down, bro, this is wild, guys. Look at this. We filled up the whole thing. How many are in here? God damn. All these other packages. Literally hundreds and hundreds of orders, bro. So thank you guys so much. I literally appreciate it so much. You guys don't understand how much this means to me. And this literally helps fund everything, bro. Help me pay for my transmission. Maybe buy a new project car later on. This will pretty much give us more content. So, and I think it's dope, like the brand and everything like that. How the clothing's starting to come out. Like I said, it's starting to become like a streetwear brand. Literally. Like, this is insane, bro. I literally feel like I'm working at a brand. I have my own brand now. So I'm excited for you guys to get all the merch. You guys are gonna love it, I promise. Oh. There's no way. She can't push it. Literally take it over here in the back. And this is where they ship it all. Whoa. Look how crazy the post office looks behind the scenes. All right. Hopefully they make it to you guys. All these packages will be coming within a day or 2, guys. So stay tuned. Check the tracking numbers. You guys should have got an email. And you guys should be getting your merch this week. All right, guys, it is now the next day. Today, we're actually dropping off the GTR. Today is also the day I leave to Miami, but I'm doing all these little errands before I leave. Pretty sure I said it in the last clip, but we are wrapping the GTR, guys. Not only are we wrapping the GTR, but we're also painting the calipers today, too. Right now, we're on the way to LA. We're gonna paint the calipers first before the wrap, just in case we don't get any overspray on the new wrap. As you guys know, my brakes right now are purple. The new wrap color, I'm not gonna reveal it yet. I finally chose a color. It took a long time. I'm still worried that I didn't pick the right color, but I think it's gonna be sick at the end of the day. But with the new wrap, these purple brakes will not match at all. So that's your little hint for what wrap we're doing next. Comment down below, guess what color we're doing. We're heading there right now. My homie Pablo's wrapping the car. He works with PQ. He wraps a bunch of their cars for them. For the longest, we've been talking about wrapping my GTR. We were supposed to wrap my GTR before the transmission went out. Obviously, all that fell through once the transmission went out on this car. That was more important than a wrap. But I'm leaving to Miami today for a week, so might as well get the car wrapped while I'm gone so that when I land, when I come back next week, the car will be done being wrapped and I can reveal it to you guys and all that good stuff. I cannot wait, guys. The new color is gonna be insane. As much as I love the black paint on this car, the new color is gonna be wild, bro, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna love it. I'll probably get a lot of attention too. Also, I know you guys are annoyed at me talking about the merch, but we do have a few more hats available. That's pretty much it. And I think we have like 9 of the cream Finding Nick shirts. I just want to say thank you guys to everyone who placed an order. It means so much to me. You guys saw how many packages I shipped out. Literally insane, guys. And it means so much to me. You guys don't understand. I tried to throw in a free sticker to every order. I think there's only like a handful that I couldn't get to because I ran out of stickers. I'm so sorry, but I tried throwing in stickers to almost every single order. I'm just really trying to increase the quality of the merch, as well as just try to throw some free stuff in to try to give back to you guys, because I appreciate it so much, and I just want to say thank you guys. Oh, look at the GTR. That's like the best. Seeing your car like in the reflection of the windows. Anyways, let's hurry up to the homie shop and drop the GTR off, and then hurry up and go catch this flight, bro. We're going to Miami tonight. Made it to the wrap shop. This is my boy Pablo's car. Look at this BMW, guys. This shit is sick. It's a Millennium Jade on a BMW, which I think is pretty sick. Imagine we do that on the F80. Like a GTR color on a BMW. It's like the best of both worlds, huh? But it looks good on this car. Boy Pablo with the yellow cage inside. But yeah, we just dropped the GTR off. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the GTR is right there. They got a sick ass Mercedes outside. And that is it. We're gonna leave the GTR here and it'll be done hopefully by the time we get back from Miami. I don't wanna get in their way. They're already gonna get started on the calipers and all that good stuff, but it's gonna be sick, guys. So stay tuned. Say, comment down below what color do you think we're doing. I hate flying, guys. I hate it. I hate it so much.
Time is 4:35 a.m. approximately 30 minutes early.
And we made it to Miami, guys. Finally, this is actually my first time ever in Miami. My first time ever in Florida. I'm so excited, bro. We got a lot of plans out here. I don't know if you guys know Rap Vlogs. Probably one of the only YouTubers that I watch on YouTube, but we're gonna meet up with him this week. He has some dope ass cars. You guys don't know who he is. He has a Hellcat, he has a GTR. He just picked up a Urus too. I think he's gonna bring his GTR and Hellcat this weekend so we can make some cool content. Also, I don't know if you guys know Lambo Raul. If you don't, look both of them up on Instagram or YouTube. They both have YouTube channels. Cool people, and we're finally gonna collab with them. I've been talking to them on Instagram for like the past couple years, bro. And we're finally gonna meet up and make some content. So it's gonna be sick. Lambo Raul has a Lambo, of course. He has an SVJ, bro. You guys know my dream car. So we're probably gonna see that this week too. I'm gonna try to make hella content, guys. So yeah, I'm super excited. It should be lit. Also, Fresh Kicks is down here too, so you can see Kicks in the vlog. Lambo Sammy's coming. So make sure you guys smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Today's vlog is probably very boring. It's just been a crazy busy week, guys. Crazy stressful week, guys. You guys know I've been trying to prepare for the merch drop. I've been trying to figure out my car wrap situation. We dropped off the car to get wrapped today. In the mix of all that, I've been trying to daily vlog still. So very stressful week, but we finally made it to Miami, and now we can finally chill a little bit. But I'm still gonna try to keep up the dating vlogs. 5 in the morning here in Miami right now too, by the way. I only slept like 3 hours on the flight, but I'm gonna try to get to the, oh my God. I'm gonna try to get to the hotel and start editing this vlog so I can post it for you guys today. Anyways, I'm sorry if today's vlog is boring. We didn't really do much, but I wanted to vlog it either way. What the? I hope we're going the right way, guys. I'm in Miami.
We're in Miami.
With my baby daddy. Also, I think Kicks and Sammy, they want to rent a yacht and jet skis this weekend too. So I'm telling you guys, the vlog is gonna be really lit. And then cruising the homies down here with the SVJs and the Hellcats GTRs, it's gonna be sick. I don't know what to expect, but I'm sure it's gonna be dope content. First time outside and I'm already sweating, bro. Now I know what you guys mean by the humidity. It is freaking bad. And it's 4 in the morning. There's no way it's this bad. Imagine during the day. Oh, hell no. Now I know what you guys mean. Florida's no joke. I'm already sticky. If we're about to get the rental car right now, then probably call it a night or day. 4 in the morning. I haven't slept.
Why? What are these called? Why are these traffic lights sideways? What the heck? Also,
the gas is hella cheap.
Yeah, look how cheap the gas is. I don't know if you can see that. That's crazy. Guys, what is that noise? But I just pressed this button right here.
Yeah, she pushed the e-brake while we're driving. And it locked up the wheels.
Because I thought it was like the thing to help him on like each side.
Sensor?
Yeah, the sensors to help him. But yeah. So he drifted.
Damn, guys. This is how you know we in Miami. Oh my God, bro. Look at these yachts. This is like different kind of money right here, guys. Having a freaking yacht. That one's badass, bro. All black. But yeah, this is dope. Literally gonna be able to watch like the sunrise right here. Sheesh. I think I could get used to this. Just have my GTR here, my F80. That should be fun, I think. I don't think I've ever seen a yacht like this in person. Like these kind of yachts. That's some GTA shit right there. I literally feel like I'm in GTA right now. Bro, all the vlogs lately have been insane. Like GTA style vlogs. You guys want to see the rental car? You guys might be hyped. Oh! There's no way we're gonna be whipping this around Miami right now. I told you guys I want to rent something dope this week, but for now we got a little daily for the week. This thing's hella cheap to rent, so why not? There's no way we're about to be cruising in this with all the homies and SVJs and stuff like that. There's no way. It'll get us to point A to B, but I do want to rent maybe something like a Lambo or something one of the days. Maybe like on Friday or Saturday, rent something cool, but for now, this is the whip that we're gonna be driving around. Bro, look how crazy this looks. My bad, guys. This is my first time here, so I'm like tripping out. But that shit looks sick. Sheesh. Yeah, that shit looks completely different than LA. This does not look like Los Angeles, bro. Got some Chick-fil-A, our first meal. But look at this. Is this normal in Florida? In Miami? Like, we're in downtown and there's chickens walking around. You'll never see that in downtown LA. Bro, there's literally chickens everywhere. Chickens in front of Chick-fil-A.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.